Tip: tweezers come in a variety of shapes and sizes. It's worth noting that all of the listed tweezers are the standard size because mini ones don't actually make plucking any easier or more efficient. As far as shape goes, the tips of tweezers tend to vary. The most common one you've probably seen are slant tweezers, but there are also point, flat, and round tweezers as well. With the exception of round tweezers, it's important that the edges of your tweezers are as sharp as possible. This ensures that the tool can easily grab and hold hairs well enough to pluck without any breakage or slippage. The worst thing is when you have to pull an eyebrow hair over and over again just for it to break in half. Other things to look for are properly aligned tips and a bit of scuffing on the inside, both of which affect how the tweezers grip hair. Material: tweezers should be made with material that's hypoallergenic, rust-resistant, and easy to maintain. Stainless steel is your best bet, but you can also go for titanium tweezers. Some tweezers are brushed or coated in paint, mainly to add to its appearance, but just be sure that the tip itself is stainless steel or titanium to avoid skin irritation and ensure longevity. Sharpening policy or warranty: even the best of tweezers dull over time, making it much harder to grab hair quickly and precisely. Tina Lowett, esthetician and owner of the Wild Kind Beauty, recommends following the grain of your tweezers with an emery board 5 to 10 times to sharpen your tweezers at home. We also found that Tweezaman offers a lifetime sharpening service for most of their tweezers. Just fill out their online form, package up and send out your tweezers, and you should receive your freshly sharpened tweezers in about 3 to 4 months. Other companies may offer some sort of money-back warranty, which we've also noted. Tweezaman is something of a cult brand in the beauty world, and with good reason. If you're looking for a tweezer that can perform almost any hair plucking job, look no further than their classic slant tweezer. When it comes to finding the perfect tweezers, Tweezaman slant tweezers have never let me down, says Tammy Fisher, founder and CEO of Browtiste. The slanted tip is ideal for lifting hair from the skin before you pull out the strand, which Fisher says is extremely important for precision and lets you get closer to the base, which means the hair will be less likely to break when you pull. Rebecca Hoffman, owner of Bespoke Brows NYC, praised the tweezers, too, because the slanted edge makes it less likely that you'll pinch yourself while tweezing. You can also angle it to just use the pointy edge of the tool for really stubborn hairs, she says. While Tweezaman may be pricey for a drugstore tweezer, it's actually much more affordable than other professional-grade tweezers. Rubus, another brand with a cult following, has a more expensive slant tweezer that was touted by our experts, but Tweezaman's beats it out because of the lower price and lifetime of free sharpening. Thank
you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.